very impressed.
This is so amazing.
It's awesome.
Yeah. So now I'm trying to empty out the...
6+ hours to get here, and we never dreamed that we'd get to experience something like this. So.
This is awesome.
We're Beth Ann and Darren Puffert. We're from Buena Park, California. Actually Cypress, but we live in Buena Park. I'm driving a 2008 Jeep Wrangler Sahara JK, 4-door. Love it.
My name is Brenna.
And you're from?
I'm from San Diego.
I know where that one's at, right? And what you driving?
I just have a stock 2018 JKU.
I'm Brett Caldwell.
And where are you from?
I'm from Folsom, California, about 6 hours up the road.
Oh, wow.
21 Rubicon, pretty much stock. I put a winch on it, put a lot of little bells and whistles, but nothing major, no tires or grips or anything like that. Yeah. So my name is Joe, and this is my daughter Haley.
Hi, I'm Haley.
And we are very much adventurous individuals that go out with you guys all the time. We're not new. So what do you want from us?
Where are you from?
Oh God, Vegas. Vegas. We're up to Vegas up here in where are we? Mount
Lone Pine.
Lone Pine.
Lone Pine.
Woohoo! And we're gonna go somewhere where I don't know where we're going because it can't be revealed until we get there.
Right.
So I'm not saying anything.
We've got Chris with us. He's going to spot if we need a spotter over the last section. Joe can hop out and spot just a little bit if we need it. The cool part is the end of this trail, okay? We are going to take you somewhere I guarantee you have never been, and after you're done with us today, you will never have this experience again. And you will be like, there is no way I just did that. So, let's get the radio set up so that we can all communicate and so on and so forth. I'm not gonna tell you guys where we're going. All right. And I told,
I know.
Yeah, I told these guys not to tell you where you're going. Figure we'll probably be done by lunchtime. All right. It's nothing major. I know everybody traveled hours to get down here. And
We appreciate you.
And we've all got to go to work on Monday. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to keep everybody out late, except you. He's
from
fly
Maine.
home. He came down to us from Maine to have this adventure with us. So.
Thank you, Chris.
Of course.
All right, folks, so let's be honest. Not every Jeep adventure you take should be dedicated to hardcore off-roading or rock crawling or anything that's really extreme. In fact, most of the adventures that we take are exploration in nature. The opportunity to get out and explore the environment that's all around you that you take for granted every day. You never know what you might find. Jeeping is also the opportunity to get to know new people, to make new friends, and to be able to push each other to the limit and support each other when things get maybe a little bit hairy. But enough of that. We've exchanged our pleasantries, we've aired down our Jeeps, and we've hit the trail. But folks, I think that now is about the time necessary that I explain to these guys exactly where it is I'm taking them.
So, since I have everybody together, and we're no longer in the city, and y'all are pretty much committed to this, let me tell you what we're doing. Okay?
Now that we're traveling. Our Jeeps are stocked.
We're storming the bunker.
This is your last chance to turn around if you don't want to follow me up there, okay? It is an old silver mine that was constructed and dug out. They finished it in 1862. It is the largest mine on the West Coast. It is actually large enough that we are going to drive inside. If you want to, it is eerily quiet. It is pitch black dark, and it is a hell of an experience. It is maintained by BLM. It is open for us to do this. This is not something we're just like making it up as we go along. This is one of the coolest things we have ever done with our Jeep. And one of the coolest things I love sharing with other people, because it's one thing to go on the iconic trails like the Rubicon or Metal Masher up in Moab, you know what I mean? And to say, yes, I accomplished that. But to say I've gone somewhere that no other vehicle has ever gone, You know what I mean? Or that none of my friends will ever go to. You know what I mean? It is a hell of an experience because it will really mess with your mind. It's not normal or natural to drive inside the mountain. Most Jeep owners try to get up over the mountain, right? So this is why I thought this would be a really cool trip for people who have no experience and want to go do something that nobody else has done. So
Sounds great.
About a quarter mile in.
Exactly.
I love this. They're all like, oh my god, this is great, this is crazy.
Oh yeah, you can have this truck.
I want to know, what do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah,
I
about
don't
being
know why I
inside
went.
the earth.
Oh, being inside the earth? I'm not claustrophobic, but this scares me to death. But I'm glad I'm with a bunch of people, so
Yeah.
I wouldn't have done this by myself.
There you go. That's pretty cool.
It's got an interesting face to it. It's just kind of.
Right.
It's got a lot of sparkly.
Did you notice that on the
Wow.
sink? And oh, that's nice.
It's kind of fun.
The camera doesn't pick it up.
No, but you can see it from this angle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's.
What do you think?
I'm very impressed. Yeah, when we drove 6+ hours to get here, and we never dreamed that we'd get to experience something like this. So we're grateful, and we love every minute of it.
Yeah,
I just stuck my hand in. Apparently you're not supposed to do that. Don't stick your hand in a hole.
pretty cool.
hand in what?
In a hole.
Anyhow.
As you can see, all the quartz right up there and all the
Yeah.
sparkling stuff.
Okay, so what do you think?
This is so amazing. I can't believe I would be scared to walk on a mine. So it's awesome that I get to drive my Jeep through a mine.
You're almost a mile. It's about 3/4 roughly.
Almost a mile into
Into the
mine,
earth,
to
yeah.
And it's nice and warm in here, so I'm
I know,
happy about that.
when we first came down here, our very first time, we figured it was going to be freezing cold. We're like, wow, it's quiet, it's warm, it's kind of nice in here,
We've
you
been
know?
in caverns, and they're
Yeah.
always, I think they say like 65 degrees year round. You know, they never, that's where people would go for
Yeah.
like shelter. Yeah.
I want to know what you think.
I think it's awesome. This is like incredible. Never been in such a mine that's not commercialized.
Yeah.
Like you go up to like the Ghost place and off of the 15.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure this Burrow mine is probably pretty just down the road that we passed.
Yep.
It's probably pretty commercialized too. But this is unique. I love it. Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming. So what do you think?
This is awesome. This is definitely worth the trip.
Yeah.
Can't believe we're here with our kids.
How far did you drive?
I came 6 hours from
He didn't
Sacramento.
want to.
So would you ever have done this by yourself?
No, I wouldn't even have known this was here.
Yeah.
So he wanted to go most direct.
Amethyst
And
embedded
by
into
the
the
time
rock.
that he was like halfway or whatever,
Awesome.
they built the road.
Thanks for coming.
Isn't this cool? Yeah. And the interesting part is this was all dug by hand.
Yeah.
And it just so happened to be big enough to drive into.
The only thing I get concerned about is when we have all the Jeeps running and it's just an enclosed space. Yeah.
Yeah. What is it?
That's what we were talking about yesterday. This weird clicking.
All right, so that was the next adventure we did on Jeeping 101. Everybody seemed to have a really good time. We did a very unique experience driving into a mine that nobody who had come with us had ever had the opportunity to do. So really thrilled about that. So thankful for the support from everybody who has supported the YouTube channel, has supported us on Facebook and helping us to get this going. We will be doing this again, so be sure to look for the next adventure. In the meantime, stay safe, happy Jeeping, and we will see you next time.
I just put mine in the bag.
Yeah.
So now I'm trying to empty out the